we are finished. Gonna turn this sucker on, but I'll give you a look around. Cleaned up the yard, raked it out. We've seeded it, mulched this thing in, planted it, lots of aquatic plants, stuff around the edges. Created this kind of like cool little bog space over here on the side with some plants in it, and this gnarly kind of root we had in here. And top is all set up there, so we're going to start this up. Let's see what it looks like. Ready, just need to plug it in. We actually had to get a different controller. The one we had was not working, and it was kind of acting wonky and would turn on and off. So when the guys ran to get another controller, but figure I'd give you a view. It's all cleaned up. Who wouldn't want to have this in their backyard? This is what we created in 3 days. A one-piece, one-of-a-kind artistic water feature. 10 by 14 fish cave, planted boggish area, 3 shelves, aquatic lights, aquatic plants, landscaping with the area around it cleaned up. All right, all set, all done. Let me know what you think. Is this what you'd love to have in your backyard? I'm pretty certain I would. Okay, so I'm back at a feature we did about a month and a half ago. And look at this thing. It is taking off. The wire hyacinth is doing great in there. I got dragonflies I'm looking at. I see the lilies in there. The fish are chilling out. Everything is really very happy in this space. A little boggish area is really coming really nicely over there. This is called the ecosystem. And look at how clear it is. I can see right to the bottom when I'm not creating a shadow. About a month and a half ago we created this. Look at this ecosystem, how it's developed. Look how happy everything is growing in here. Water hyacinth is doing amazing. You can see right down to the bottom, clear as anything. Plants and everything is taken off. Would you love to sit out here?